Bro, just come to me.
What the fuck? Why you scout?
Wait.
You get ready. Shallow east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side ground. Okay, spread west. Get to the pass through the choke and brawl past the choke. Come northwest. Yo, cleanse on the choke. Demons. Cleanse on the choke. Ready, spread now. Spread and brawl now. Tanks hold them in the choke. Put them in the choke. Yo, we brawl shallowly. Tanks hold them in the choke. Get ready. Look at inside. Okay, wait. On me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. On me. Now spread and brawl. Spread farther, boys, and brawl. Spread farther and brawl. Okay, brawl. Get ready. Tanks, get ready to clamp them up. Fences on my people. Q1. Yo, keep spreading. Spread. Get ready. We're gonna engage soon. Okay. Find me. 4 seconds. I'm gonna fake for this one. Okay.
Oh, okay.
From north side. Get ready. Yo, listen. I'm gonna fake north. Heal my north. I'm faking north. Wait. Marika, get ready. Hold east side on me. 5 on top of me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me. Now. Nice. Now spread and brawl. Spread. You two clumped up. Spread.
Marami sa west side.
Spread, bro. Okay. Yo, you two clumped up north side, boys. You two clumped up north side. Just spread and brawl. Heal up on my people. You guys have to stay in
Judy, just drop your Judy.
Wait, boys. Yo, give me fakes now.
Check for the infinity blades.
Malik, find me now. Find the crown now.
Use demon armor.
Demon.
4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Nice. Spread in the clump. Heal up my middle. Heal up super right. Heal up my brawlers, okay?
Depends on the west, ha? Bakit
QCW tanks, peel.
Demon armor's north.
Your cleanse, man. Where's the cleanses? Cleanse the people that are getting snared and CC'd. Get ready. Look at west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, crown. More damage. Nice. Now spread southwest. Heal up fast. You're careful. You two clumped up. Spread. Heal up CJ. Spread. We're gonna engage again. Get ready, okay?
Just drop it.
Heal up. Find the crown.
Demon armor's go.
Hold on. Get ready. Wait. Everything west side by the wall. CC this. West side by the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. More damage. Now spread west side. Heal up. Spread west side. Come west. Spread and brawl. Yo, heal up my west side. See, peel for my tanks. Peel for my healers, boys. Okay? Heal, spread now. Wait. We're gonna engage again. Get ready. Hold them. Tanks, give me CCs. Give me CCs already. Give me fakes. Hold. Boys, get ready. Hold everything on top of me. West side by the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On crown. More damage. Kill this guys here. Okay? Now spread. Heal up and brawl. Spread. Yo, the vortex, if you can zone, you zone, ah. Yo,
demon ako,
yo, cleanse my west side. Heal my northwest. Okay? Now spread. Marlika, get ready. 3 seconds, we're gonna engage, okay? Hold, everything, get ready. On top of me, north side, okay? Wait. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side now. On me.
Spread out.
Spread
Fucking Ursa.
No. Spread. Can you run it first? Spread. Spread and brawl. Hold on here. Yo, the people that trigger support the gold vortex, okay? Spread. You took them top. Get ready. We're gonna engage, okay? Southwest choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Every all of them.
Oh shit, way down.
No, spread. DPS. Come on, DPS. Much better, man.
Many Ursa.
Help the healers, guys. Help the healers.
Help my healers. Okay, spread. Careful north side. You took them top. Heal up. Let them play on the choke, boys. Yo, Summers is ano, Hold them. Get ready. Hold. West side. Get ready. Inside. Southeast, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Where's my offensive locus, man? Can I get offensive locus on top of me? Spread. Yo, everyone, listen. Everyone, get out first in your group. Get out in your group first. Yo, help the gold vortex. Okay ka lang dyan, CJ.
May blob na.
Nabol ka na Summers, eh.
Oh, may blob na.
Oh, no. Everyone, zone. Yo, crap DPS, can you guys do better? Then why you guys not deleting big clumps, man? You guys are majority alive.